My name's Jerry Mikulski, and I'm an independent AMSOIL dealer from Wyoming, Pennsylvania, and I'm into cars and anything with an engine. We are at Victory Pig in Wyoming, Pennsylvania. It's a weekly car cruise. A lot of people come here just to hang out, check out everybody else's cars. My family's been doing restorations since I was little. My father and my uncle have been restoring cars before I was even born. We try to restore them to the point where they are an amazing looking driver. You can take them out to a cruise, drive them 120 miles to a trip, enjoy them. That's really what we want to do with them. My favorite part of restoring a car has to be the journey, the memories that are created, working on something, trying to get things right, finding that part, looking for the car in the beginning, trying to find the car that you feel like that's going to be my car. You never forget that moment, that adrenaline rush of, wow, look what I found. You know, this has definitely worked for me. It's always an exciting moment. Throughout the years, we've accumulated a really nice collection. It's a lot of really unique stories that go along with each vehicle.
My name is Jerry Mikielski Sr., and this is my 1965 Corvette Stingray. When I first bought the car in 1978, it was in rough shape. I went and bought a brand new short block from General Motors, 327, 300 horsepower. I changed the rear end to a Posse 370. I like the low end. The side pipes roar, but that to me is music. The radio works, but I never play it because the music comes out of these side pipes.
I'm Greg Mikelski, and this is my 1958 Pontiac Chieftain four-door hardtop. Bought it when I was 14, fixed it up, made sure everything was okay mechanically, repainted it, and by the time I was 16, my girlfriend and I went to their senior prom with this car, and then several years later, we ended up getting married. Being my first car, you know, you talk to different guys and they always say, shouldn't have sold my first car. Well, I still have mine and I plan on keeping it.
And this is my wife's 1957 Nash Metropolitan. This is an American-made car by American Motors. It was made in England to help keep the costs down. Four-cylinder, English engine in it. It's a 3-speed on a column. It's designed to be driven in the city, to go shopping. A great, fun car to drive. Turns heads all the time. You don't see many of them around and people just love it.
These are my Jeeps. I have a 2002 Jeep Wrangler TJ and a 2011 Jeep Wrangler JKU. Unlike all the restoration projects of the classic cars we have, Jeeps are more of an upgrade. The parts available to it are real easy to put on, and you make it bigger, better, badder, so you could take it off-road and put it to the test. Working in the garage with my brother and my dad have a huge impact on who I am today. I feel like I've gotten a very fulfilling life out of growing up in the family that I did, and I want to pass that along to my girls. They will definitely be in the garage with me, getting their hands dirty. I would hope that all those values that have been instilled in me, I've passed on to them, and they could pass it on to their kids. My name's Jerry Mikulski, and I'm an independent AMSOIL dealer from Wyoming, Pennsylvania, and I'm into cars and anything with an engine.